Hey there, art lovers. Hello, namaste, and welcome. I'm your friend Kunal. Let's do some character design. So, today I want to draw a character who lives far away from the city life in the hills of Ladakh. I decided that it would be a boy and he is 11 or 12 years old. But it's possible that he is only 8 years old. No one can tell that for sure because where he lives, no one cares about age. In my opinion, he is 9, but he looks older than his age because life is tough in the hills. At this age, he looks after his whole family and his cattle. His father has gone out of state in search of a better job, and his mother weaves shawls from the wool of sheep. Talking about his attire, he wears a traditional cap which is a symbol of his tribe, and every male in the tribe wears the same kind of cap. And last time when his father came home, he had gifted his son a new coat because it was Nigam's birthday. Yes, his name is Nigam. Though his father didn't have enough money to buy new clothes, he had no other option because the old coat was weared out. Now Nigam proudly show off his new clothes because none of his friend has new clothes like him. This is his cute sheep. She recently gave birth. Her baby's name is Junjun and she has become best friend of Nigam. So the sketch is now complete. Let's color it. But before I start coloring, I am removing excess graphite from the paper because it tends to dull out the colors. For the hat and his coat, I am using combination of green and red. First I am layering flat base color, then shading it with a darker color. I am giving him a darker skin and for that I am using Bond Grey and Salmon Pink. Right now the skin is looking much darker, but it gets lighter as the color dries. For his pants I am using mint blue. This stick was given to him by his grandfather. He loves it. I colored ships purple because ordinary is no fun and it worked out really well. Nigam likes to go fishing and he knows how to build house from stone and wood. This neck of his helps him to earn few more bucks. For outlining, I'm using a permanent marker. I think the drawing came out good and it conveys the feeling that I wanted. The sheep is looking so fluffy, isn't she? I used white jelly roller pen to draw some random patterns on his clothes. To fill the page, I am making another drawing of Nigam. This time let's draw him carrying Junjun on his shoulders. I had written down the colors that I used in first drawing, and now I'm using the same colors. I added a flat background so the page does not look empty. In the next video I am going to draw him on the cover of my sketchbook, so wait for that. If you enjoyed today's video, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.